There was a time when I thought I could reach my goals without truly sacrificing anything. I believed that if I just waited long enough, worked hard enough, or stayed positive, things would eventually fall into place. But the truth hit me hard: nothing in life is free. Even happiness, especially happiness, comes with a cost. That realization changed everything for me. I used to chase only the rewards, avoiding the risks, running from the pain, and hoping things would somehow work out. But over time, I understood that growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from being willing to face the battles we carry inside. The inner conflicts, the doubts, the fears, that's what I had to overcome, and I want to show you how you can do the same. Let's dive into the 5 biggest lessons I learned on this journey. 1. I stopped chasing perfection. For years, I thought success meant checking off a list: house, car, bank account, status. But even when I achieved some of those things, I didn't feel complete. I still struggled, still felt like something was missing. That's when I realized life isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Perfection is an illusion we chase because we think it will bring us peace. But peace comes from accepting that we are a work in progress. Letting go of the pressure to be perfect freed me from unnecessary stress and disappointment. When you stop trying to meet standards that were never really yours to begin with, you start to live a life that's truly yours. 2. I took responsibility for my problems. At one point, I kept blaming everything and everyone. Traffic made me late, my boss didn't see my potential, life just wasn't fair. And for a moment, playing the victim felt good. It gave me an excuse to stop trying. But over time, it drained me of my power. The real turning point came when I looked in the mirror and asked myself, what could I have done differently? And that's when I began to grow. The truth is, we can't change other people, but we can change ourselves. Taking responsibility doesn't mean blaming yourself for everything, it means reclaiming your power to change the future. 3. I learned to move forward even when I was scared. People often say courage means not being afraid. But I've learned that courage is feeling afraid and still choosing to take the next step. I felt fear, doubt, and insecurity more times than I can count. But when I focused on the deeper reason behind my actions, on the why, those emotions stopped holding me back. Lasting happiness doesn't come from what's happening to you. It comes from what's happening within you. When your happiness is built on purpose, not circumstance, it becomes unshakable. 4. I found my purpose. There was a time when I was driven purely by external goals: money, recognition, achievement. But eventually, I started asking myself, why do I really want these things? And the answers changed everything. It wasn't the money itself, it was the freedom to take care of my family. It wasn't the recognition, it was the chance to inspire others. When your purpose is tied to growth and contribution, your motivation becomes limitless. You push forward not just for yourself, but for something bigger. And that's when life starts to feel meaningful. 5. I learned to fail without losing faith. This one was hard, really hard. Putting your values out into the world means exposing yourself to criticism, rejection, and sometimes even hostility. Not everyone will understand you. Not everyone will support you. And yes, sometimes you will fall flat on your face. I did, but every failure became a stepping stone. Every setback shaped me. And now, when I look back, I'm proud, not because everything was perfect, but because I didn't quit. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. It's proof that you tried, that you cared, that you pushed beyond your limits. And that kind of effort, it builds a life worth living. Final thoughts. If you're facing your own battles right now, know this: you're not alone. I've been there. I felt stuck, afraid, unsure of what the future held. But I discovered that on the other side of fear, there's freedom. On the other side of struggle, there's strength. To help you keep growing, I want to recommend a free ebook with 15 powerful ideas to help you read more effectively and learn better. Reading has changed my life, and it might just do the same for you. The link is in the description. Until next time, keep progressing, keep becoming. You've got this.